Today, I'll show you how giant cassava roots become ultra-pure, gluten-free baking flour for American kitchens, step by step.
First, the roots are tumbled dry to remove heavy field dirt before they enter the washing phase. High-speed abrasive rollers completely strip away the tough brown skin, revealing the pure white starch inside. The chips are heavily grated into a wet mash, breaking down the cell walls to release the pure starch.
Extreme hydraulic pressure is applied to squeeze out the water and naturally occurring cyanic juices, making the flour 100% safe to eat.
In a matter of seconds, superheated air flash dries the damp powder, evaporating all moisture while keeping the flour perfectly white. The milled flour passes through ultra-fine vibrating mesh screens to guarantee a silky smooth, premium baking texture. Every single batch is rigorously tested in the lab to guarantee it is 100% pure, safe, and certified gluten-free for American consumers.
Hi there. Did you find everything all right today?
Yes, thank you. Just
Okay.
this one.
Okay, that will be $5.50.
From the tropical farm to the American kitchen, this incredible gluten-free flour is ready to transform healthy baking.
And for Earth. And that's exactly how we turn giant cassava roots into perfect gluten-free flour for your family. Thanks for watching, and